అమెరికాలో అన్నార్తుల కడుపు నింపేందుకు సేవా దివాళీ సంస్థ ఫుడ్ డ్రైవ్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించింది. హిందూ స్వయం సేవక్ సంఘంతో కలిసి పలువురు వాలంటీర్ల సహాయంతో భారీ మొత్తంలో ఆహారాన్ని సేకరించి అన్నార్తులకు ఉచితంగా అందించే మహాక్రతువును చేపట్టింది. అమెరికాలోని పలు రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఆహారాన్ని సేకరించి వివిధ నగరాల్లో ఉన్న ప్యాంట్రీలు, ఉచిత ఆహార కిచెన్లు, ఆశ్రయాల ద్వారా ఫుడ్ని పంపిణీ చేశారు. ఈ సేవా కార్యక్రమానికి విశేష స్పందన లభించిందని న్యూజెర్సీలో రికార్డు స్థాయిలో ఆహారాన్ని సేకరించామని నిర్వాహకులు తెలిపారు.
Good morning, my name is Naga Parupalli and we are part of Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh USA. We are today connecting Seva Diwali food drive at Islin Woodbridge School. Seva Diwali is an initiative where all local organizations and individuals participate with the mission that serving to humanity is serving to divinity. This program has started in 2018 with more than 25 organizations participating, and in 2018 we collected about 18,000 pounds of food. But it has been growing exponentially every year. In 2019, we collected more than 100,000 foods. Last year in 2020, we collected about 300,000 foods, and Seva Diwali was organized across to 25 plus states. So this year we're planning to do even more. The main mission of this is to collect the food and local food pantries and serve all the communities who are in need of food. Thank you.
ఇవాళ సేవా దివాళీ ఫుడ్ డొనేషన్ డ్రైవ్లో పాల్గొంటున్నాము. ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్న పిల్లలందరూ వీళ్ళందరూ ఇవాళ వాలంటీరింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఈ దివాళీ ఉత్సవం సందర్భంగా అందరూ మన ఇక్కడ ఉన్న మన భారతీయులు ఇంకా ఇతరత్ర అందరూ కలిపి ఫుడ్ డొనేషన్ చేస్తూ, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ చాలామంది హోమ్లెస్ పీపుల్ లేదా ఫుడ్ నీడ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళకి ఈ ఫుడ్ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇదంతా వీ ఫీడ్ వుడ్ బ్రిడ్జ్ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ నడుస్తుంది వుడ్ బ్రిడ్జ్లో, దానికి వెళుతుంది. వాటి నుంచి చాలా ప్యాంట్రీస్ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. ఇది పర్టికులర్ చాప్టర్ వచ్చేసి వుడ్ బ్రిడ్జ్లో హిందూ స్వయం సేవక్ సంఘ్ మరియు సేవా దివాళీ ఈ రెండు కలిపి సంయుక్తంగా చేస్తున్నారు.
We are from Seva Diwali initiative. It is being coordinated by Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh. This started off in 2018 with about 17,800 pounds. 2019 we did close to about 35,000 pounds with 11 states, 11 to 15 states. Then after that in 2020 we grew about 25 states. We did a big impact last year despite being pandemic. We did about 300,000. Out of that, around 100,000 came from New Jersey, 120,000 to be precise. And after this year, we have the partnership of many schools like the Godad School in Islin, and the Woodbridge Township schools are also now being part of Seva Diwali. We have kept all the bins in their respective schools, and our volunteers go and replenish the stocks. They pull it up. They have all the kids there donate and participate in that. So Seva Diwali has become mainstream, and now the Seva, which is the act of selfless giving, is also coming into vogue through our culture. This year, especially despite all the inflation, the needs of food have gone up tremendously, and we would urge every one of you to come together and donate as much as you can so that it can help feed a lot of people in need. So thank you so much for Sakshi TV. I'd like to give this to the board member of Woodbridge, and also we have the councilman Viru Patel, who's also been a tremendous supporter of Seva Diwali and HSS, and Akshar ji has been a very big supporter of all our initiatives right from the start. So we'll give it to both of them. They will address what they have to say and how they have been helping the community as well.
Thank you, Sakshi TV, for coming to the event and covering the event. I just want to say that anything that inspires not only the next generation but generation beyond that is selfless service, because it is beyond us. Anything that requires inspiration goes beyond us. So whatever HSS is doing under the flagship of Seva Diwali, it is being recognized. Diwali is being recognized, and our culture at the same time is being passed down to generations beyond us. When we are not around, the future generations will know this, see this, and have a track record, a history of what we have done. So I would just like to congratulate HSS, Ganesh ji, everyone in Seva Diwali, so many people. If I take names, we'll be here all night. So there are so many people who have volunteered, so all completely volunteer run, and it is just such a great feeling to know that people are still in that sense and that sensibility of giving. So Sakshi TV, thank you for covering, and obviously we have all the support from our township as well. So Councilman Viru Patel will talk to that.
Yes, I would like to thank Sakshi TV viewers. I'm Viru Patel. I'm the councilman from the Woodbridge Township. I would like to thank Aksharji, Ganeshji, Nimish, all those beautiful parents and the children. I would say there are about 100 families that just got together this morning. We have about like 50 to 70 children. I think they are working really hard, bringing the food out from their cars or vans and putting up and stocking them in the van. I would like to just say, recognize this HSS. I have known them from when I was growing up in India, but I just came in contact and we started, I would say about like 5-6 years ago, I just met them. It's such one of the most profounding organization we have, teaching our children yoga, all disciplined way of life. Now they started just teaching them selfless services, selfless donation, I would say. Under the Seva Diwali, Marco, they have it. They are working with the Woodbridge We Feed, program. And, last 3-4 years, they have been doing tremendously great job in collecting foods and distributing them. It's such a noble cause, I would say. It's a great thing for our town. We know that there are many hungry families. It helps them a lot. I would like to thank again wholeheartedly to you, all the families, all those little young children, for doing such a great and noble job. And I would like to wish all of you happy holidays. May God bless you. May God bless America. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Mekhala Ravishankar, living in Edison, New Jersey. We just want to emphasize our caring efforts, Seva Diwali during this festival season. Our message to the world is service to humanity is service to divinity. So we are just trying to pass on this message and spread it across US, and we are very proud that we have been expanding a lot. There have been so much caring going on, especially during the time of COVID and during this festival season. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad. Namaste.
I am a junior at Woodbridge High School, and this initiative has been going on for a few years. So we've all been participating since then, and now we're still here. So we've been donating the food to the food pantries.